let's see if I can get the symbol there. Stitch Fix time. If you can hear it, it's thundering out. We're getting sprinkles of rain for the first time in several months. Wish it would pour buckets. We really need the rain, but we'll take what we can get. Come on. Forward a little bit. There we go. So Stitch Fix, if you don't know what it is, which I imagine you all do, but it's a clothes styling service. I have a Style Pass, so I pay $49 a year. If you don't have a Style Pass, it's $20 styling fee, and then if you buy anything, that $20 comes off. And then they send you this. I'm not gonna look at this because I don't know what I got. Right now they send you, they didn't used to do this, but they send you a, like 8 or so different, an email with 8 or so different clothing pieces, and you can pick 5 that you want. But I was on my cruise, so I couldn't get to Wi-Fi in time, so I have no idea what they sent me. And they send, you get a little letter from, you know, your stylist, which I don't want to read that either because it gives things away. And then there's prices. I will look at the prices. Stylist picks 204. Buy all discount 25% off is $51. Oh, I just paid for my yearly fee of $49, so if I buy anything, that'll come off. So I could get this whole box for $104. So let's see if I want any or all of it. Let's see what we got. Instantly buy styles that go with your fix, and then it's got a QR code. Oh, and they send you a mailer, it's free mail to you, and they send your mail back. And I only get this quarterly, so this theoretically should be fall stuff, but maybe not. Maybe it's still summer stuff. Oh, this is cute. It's like a nice soft t-shirty, and it's got little flowers on it, and it's got a little pocket. Super soft. This is a Market and Spruce Elaine pocket short sleeve tee, dark pink. It is $30, size 1X. And I have something very similar to this. I guess they sent me summer stuff, not fall stuff. Of course, we do still have several months left of summer in Texas. Oh, it's kind of scratched. I can't read it very well. So it starts with a B. Bobo, B-O-B-E-A-U, Bobo, I guess. Smocked yoke sleeveless knit top, white, 1X, $44. I have one very similar to this. I probably won't want to get this one unless sometimes it makes sense. I have one very similar to this too. This one says follow your dreams. I have one almost exactly like it with just a different saying on it. This is Hiatus, Annalise graphic tee, navy, 1X, $34. This is another sleeveless one. I really don't want any more sleeveless ones. I mean, even though it's still hot as Hades out, it's 109 out today, I really don't want to buy any more sleeveless because I have several, and you know, eventually summer's gonna go away. This is 41 Hawthorne. Light blue, $38. These are all 1X, and then there is a pair of shorts in here too. And I told them size 16 because I was losing weight, but then I gained some of it back, so they may not fit. We shall see. Be nice if they fit. They're stretchy, so they might. They're like Bermuda length. Stretchy, dark wash. They're blue dark wash, not black dark wash. Liverpool Caden cuff denim shorts, indigo, 16W, $58. So if I got all of this, which I like it all, I just don't know that I need it all, you know, with the 25% buy all discounts, 25%, that's $51 off. And then the $49 for my yearly style credit thing, that's $49 off. So it only cost me $104 for everything. So that's not bad. But if I got them piece by piece, like if I just got the shorts, it'd be $58. I mean, you get at some point where it's worth getting all of it. So let's try some of these on. All right. Well, this one's okay, but I don't really want a short-sleeved one. This one is $38. This one, I mean, I like it, but as you can see, I have, come on, get untangled. I was showing you in the side picture that you're looking at. I have this one. This says Dream On, and the other one says Follow Your Dreams, and they got the same neckline, same material, even the same color. So these are very close to each other. Let's see, $34, but I don't think I want one so similar. And then the same with this one. This one's black and more cottony, stretchy cotton, and this one's navy and more of that different kind of like polyester. So they're not exactly the same, but from far away I think they look very similar. So I don't think I want that one either. This one is, let's see, blue, smog, $44. Definitely don't want it for $44. Now, this I thought was really cute. So this one I'm seriously considering. It's a pocket, let's see, Market and Spruce, Elaine pocket short sleeve tee in dark pink is $30. And then I was excited that these size 16 shorts fit. I thought they looked really good. I don't really need any more shorts, but a lot of my shorts are getting too big, so size 16 is nice. So if I got those two pieces, let's see, the top is 30, the bottom's 50, the shorts are 58, so that would be just under $100. but I have that $49 credit, so it'd be about $50-ish for the pair of those. So that's what I'm considering, is getting these two. What do you think? I mean, I could get all of them for $104, but do I really want those two sleeveless ones, especially, and the t-shirt, especially when one of the sleeveless ones and the one t-shirt, I've got some just like it, so very close on the t-shirt, on that grayish t-shirt. It's almost exactly the same thing. So anyway, let me know what you think. I do unboxings and all kinds of other fun things, so I'd love to have you subscribe. Let me know what you think. Since I have the Style Pass, I could get another box. My next one, because I do quarterly, so this is August, September, October, November. My next one would be November. So that would kind of be a fall one, almost a winter one. This was supposed to be the fall one, but they sent me summer stuff because I think it came out of Dallas, and they're having the same old hot weather I am, where it's 100 billion degrees out, and I couldn't get online because I was on the ship, so I didn't see what they were offering me, so I couldn't really say, no, I don't want these, I want more fall stuff. So I just got what I got. You can tell it's a summer box because look how little the box is. I mean, when sometimes you get these big old boxes where they put boots or purses or whatever in them, and heavy sweaters, so the boxes in the winter can be really big, but this is an itty bitty box. So again, I will put a link below. If you use it, I'll get $25 and you'll get $25 if you've never done Stitch Fix before. Sometimes it's $50, and one time it was even $100, but usually it's $25. So I'll go find my link and put it below if you're interested in giving Stitch Fix a try. I think next month I have a We Blessings box coming. And this month I still have, what do I still have? I have a makeup box, ice cream, makeup, it's about 30 bucks. But Stitch Fix, it's tried and true. It's the very first one I ever did was Dia & Co, because I was the only one that did plus sizes back a long time ago, years and years ago. And then when Stitch Fix started doing it, I switched to Stitch Fix because I never really liked Dia & Co stuff very well. Then I tried Nadine West, but it's just not as higher quality as We Blessings. We Have Blessings is similar pricing to Nadine West, but similar pricing, but better quality. That's what I meant to say. So if you're interested in doing a style box, it's a lot of fun, and the only thing you'd be out, especially if you try it just the one time, because you wouldn't lose anything because you get the $25 off, so you wouldn't even pay a styling fee, and you'd get a little bit of a credit. And then free shipping both ways. What the heck? Give it a try, see what you think. I didn't think I'd like for instance, I never thought I would like colored, stretchy, skinny jeans. I'm a plus size girl. I'm not gonna look good in those. I ended up loving colored, stretchy, skinny jeans. In fact, I don't have any. I need to get some more because I've lost weight and the ones I had were too big, so I got rid of them. So when fall comes, I'm gonna ask for some like jewel tone, stretchy, colored skinny jeans. So in my next box, that's what I hope to get. Anyway, let me know what you think. Did I pick the right one? Should I keep those two? Should I send it all back? Should I keep it all? What do you think? Let me know. Love ya. Bye-bye.